Hi guys, welcome to my channel TheTechGeek. This video is part of the series on tutorials on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will talk about what does the sum function of the Microsoft Excel do and how to use it. In bonus, we will discuss the shortcut of sum formula. Let's get started. The Microsoft Excel sum function adds all numbers in a range of cells and return the result. The sum function is a built-in function in Excel. Sum function is categorized as math and trigonometry function. The first and easiest location of sum function is on Home tab, which is here. Clicking on AutoSum will add sum formula in active cell and add adjacent range in formula if there is any. Second location of sum function is on Formula tab. Click on Math and Trigonometry formula category and scroll down and select Sum. Selecting Sum will bring up the pop-up window and asking for range to sum and will add any adjacent range if there is any. Third way of accessing sum function is here on Formula bar. Clicking Insert function will open function list. Look for sum function and click OK. Clicking OK will again bring pop-up window asking for range to sum. Fourth way of accessing sum function is to directly type is equal to sum left parenthesis in active cell and select range to sum through arrow keys and press enter. Here is monthly sales data of 4 products, whereby we will show you how to calculate monthly sales, quarterly sales per product and total quarterly sales. Let's begin with the first method of AutoSum. As you see, it automatically added the adjacent range. Pressing enter will give you the sum. The next was through Formula tab, trigonometry function and sum formula. You see, it automatically recognizes the range. Clicking OK will give you the total. Third one was through insert function and going through sum and clicking OK. Clicking OK brought same pop-up window, automatically recognizing the pattern, and clicking OK will give you that. Now the last one we saw was typing equal to sum left parenthesis and selecting range. You can extend selection by pressing and holding shift and moving arrow keys. Here we will do that and all that. Now dragging this will give us product wise quarterly sales, and these are the total quarterly sales for the company. Here is the bonus shortcut key. You can use Alt and equal to sign keys on your keyboard simultaneously to quickly add the sum function on the sheet. Here is another example of the company showing various costs per month. We need to calculate total per month and quarterly total for each cost and quarterly total for all costs. We will begin with the short key, this, Alt equal to enter, Alt equal to enter. Again Alt equal to enter, Alt equal to enter, Alt equal to, we will need to adjust the range to avoid unnecessary totals, and this is all that. Here is another way of calculating all these in just one go, which is select all the data where you want, including the spaces where you want to calculate totals, and just press Alt equal to, tada. That's the quickest way we saw till now. In this video, we saw what the sum function of Microsoft Excel is, various ways of accessing sum function, and shortcut of sum function. Lastly, we saw a quick way of calculating total for the month and for each item in just a single click. Let me know about your feedback in the comment section. If you like the content, please share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you for watching the video.